Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do storefront stocking, product research for your Amazon FBA business. But before I start, I want to invite you guys again to join my free VIP Amazon group. I'm going to post the link in the description below. So my free VIP Amazon group is where I host my free weekly calls, and also it's a place for Amazon sellers like you to network with other Amazon sellers. So yeah. So storefront stalking, this is what people usually do to search for products that are profitable for Amazon. So first you start with a random product like this, right, on your Amazon store or Amazon listing, and then you usually go to your Selleramp, and then you go to the bottom where it says offers right there. And then here you're gonna see different sellers with different sellers, right? So now what I would do is I would pick a seller with a rating of 100 or less. So for example, this seller, right, has 53 ratings. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I want to pick sellers that are most likely doing online arbitrage like me, right? Because if someone has like a ton of reviews, like this one, for example, this person is probably doing wholesale, right? So I'm not doing wholesale at the moment, so I'm sticking to arbitrage. So yeah, this is a store that I found. So this seller seems to be selling a lot of Adidas products. So okay, this is good. So Adidas are good products to sell. So now what I would do is I would pick something, right? So for example, this one here, let's start at the top. So for example, this one, right? So it's an Adidas sneakers. So I would click on the Amazon listing and then click on the Google listing. And then from here, I usually like going to Google Shopping. It's not loading. Okay, right there. Perfect. And then what I usually do is I like to look at the max cost of the product. So to make it easier for me, right, to do product research. So I usually like to look for the exact same product that have a maximum cost of $31.41, right? That way I don't get confused with the prices. So I'm only looking for a product that looks exactly like this product or the same product, and then I look at this number, which is which is $31, right? Um, let's see, this is not $31, so skip. This one is 30, but then it's a kid size. Let's see, 31. This one, no, skip. This one's 63. This one is no 34, so skip. This one is it the same one? This could be the same one. Oh, $27 delivery though, so that's not it. Okay, next. Yeah, as soon as I don't see it, I usually skip it right away to just save on time, right? Oh, this one's Skechers. Okay, this is just a little different. Yeah, this one is pretty bright, so this should be easy to find. I don't see it. I don't see it. I don't see it. Yeah, I don't see it. So that's gonna be a skip. Save on time, and I'll just keep going until I find the product. So again, you click on the Amazon listing and Google listing, right? And Google shopping. And then so it's a black and white women's sneakers, and the max cost is $30. This one's 44. This one's not it. This one's 80, 64. See, no, I don't see it. This one's 144. No, I don't see it. So let's pick another product. Let's try this one. So what is this? Like a laptop bag. Let's try that one. Yeah, these are a bunch of shoes and clothes. Okay, let's see if you can find this one. So the brand is Tull, so THUL. And the max cost is what, 44 or $45? This one is 64. This one could be it. Let's see. So max cost is $44, $45. Let's see. This one is used. Okay, I'm not seeing it. This one is used. This one looks used also, so skip that one. This one says new, okay. Let's see, is this the same? I mean, this looks the same. Okay, should work. So this seller has 99% positive reviews. This one is $40. It says new. Oh, shipping is $10 though. Damn. So 40% is 50. It's not gonna work. But I mean, wait, 50. Let's see, $30.99 plus 10. It's about $50. So ROI is 7.5%. Let's see. I mean, if you price it at $88, you're getting a 30% ROI or higher. So this should be a good one. Just to be sure though, I would contact, the eBay supplier and maybe ask for more photos, just because we want to make sure that it's the same one, right? But it looks the same. Yeah, it looks the same to me. This one looks good. So yeah, I hope you guys got value from the video. And again, if you guys haven't joined my free VIP Amazon group, I would do so, because I do free weekly trainings in there, and it's also a place for Amazon sellers like you to network with other Amazon sellers. And I hope you guys got value from the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.